Hello everyone, this is Revathi working as an assistant professor in information technology from SNS College of Engineering. Today our case study is Towers of Hanoi. It will comes under recursive algorithm. In the previous session, we seen about what is meant by recursive algorithm and the general steps followed by the recursive algorithm. Here we are going to discuss about case study on Towers of Hanoi. This is the this is the problem statement of the Towers of Hanoi. Suppose you are presented with the Towers of Hanoi vessel consisting of three rods and a number of discs of different sizes. The main objective is to move the entire stack of disc from one rod to another following the rules below. First rule is only one disk can be moved at a time. Then second one is each move consists of taking the top disk from one stack and placing it onto the another stack. Then the third will be no disk may be placed on top of a smaller disk. This is the image representation of Towers of Hanoi. Let us discuss with the student by their role play.
Hello all, myself Priyadashini. We are going to present the case study on recursive algorithm. A recursive algorithm is a method of solving a problem where the solution depends upon the solution of another small instance of the same problem. It means the method of the function calling itself in any other conditions. The recursive algorithm methods can be classified into two types, direct recursion and indirect recursion. Steps followed by the recursive algorithm. Our first step is decide on parameters n indicating the input size, and our second step is identifying the algorithm's basic operations, and third step is check whether number of times basic operations is executed. It depends upon the worst, average and best cases of the algorithm. And the fourth step is set up a representations that also based on the number of times basic operation is executed. And the final step is solve the reconciliation by using appropriate forward and backward substitution method or any other methods. And the best example of the recursive algorithm is Tower of Hanoi.
Tower of Hanoi, it is a recursive algorithm. It is a classic problem where you try to move all the disks from one peg to the another peg using only three pegs. Initially, all the disks are stacked on the top of each other, with larger disk under a smaller disk. You may move the disk to any of the three pegs as you attempt to relocate all the disks, but you cannot place the larger disk on the smaller disk, and only one disk can be transferred at a time. Only one disk will be shifted at a time. Smaller disks can be placed on larger disk. Let T of n be the total time taken to move n disk from peg A to peg C. Moving n minus 1 disk from the first peg to the second peg. This can be done in T of n minus 1 steps. Moving larger disk from the first peg to the third peg will require first one step. Recursively moving n minus 1 disk from the second peg to the third peg will require again T of n minus 1 step. So total time taken T of n is equal to T of n minus 1 plus 1 plus T of n minus 1.
I am Krishna. I am going to share about recursive algorithm applications, which is widely used in many methods that are tree traversal, graph traversal, sorting algorithm, searching algorithm, backtracking algorithm, mathematical problems, and Fibonacci series. Tree traversal. This method are widely used in structure of tree, such as binary tree and binary search tree. Graph traversal. This method is used in depth first search and connected graphs. Sorting algorithm. Sorting algorithm are widely used in many methods that are merge sort and quick sort. Searching algorithm. This method is mainly used in divide and conquer algorithm that are binary search and linear search. Mathematical problems. Mathematical problems method like calculating factorials and mathematical index are involved.
Hello, I am Bharatkumar. I'm gonna explain about advantage of recursive algorithm. Clarity. Recursive solution often mirror the problem statement, making the code more intuitive and easier to understand. Modularity. Recursive solution promote modularity code by breaking a problem into smaller self-contained units, solving complex problems. Recursive algorithms are well suited for solving problems with respective structure. Drawbacks of recursive algorithm. Stack usage. Each recursive calls adds a new frame to call stack, which can lead to stack overflow or deep recursion. Performance overhead. Recursive calls can have a higher overhead compared to iterative solutions. Potential for exponential time complexity. Some recursive algorithms may exceed exponential time complexity, making them less efficient for large inputs.